Kelantan, Malaysia was struck by floods recently, with volunteers preparing aid supplies to be distributed to affected villagers. Here's more.
In the aftermath of flood in Kelantan, city volunteers have prepared supplies to be distributed to affected villagers. A resident is riding his motorcycle, leading the volunteers to visit affected villagers.
I feel very happy. Thank you for coming to help us. Thank you, Tzu-Chi.
Kelantan was devastated by floods in 2014. Back then, city volunteers gave affected residents aid supplies and living subsidies, and also built prefabricated houses for them, helping them get through the tough times.
Oh, bang boleh step tak atas. Oh, bang sipek ke atas. Habis telah. Oh, di tempat ada standby tu. Bisa ni. Oh, kayu tinggal tak apalah dia.
Back in 2015, Rahim has participated in city's construction of prefabricated houses for flood survivors. When volunteers visit his home, they find his family is immersed in sadness. Their child, who tried to save people in the flood 3 weeks ago, has passed away.
Ada 3 orang dalam perahu, 4 orang termasuk dia.
There are 4 people, including him, on the boat. He has fallen into the water. There were patients and his friends on the boat. As they were caring for the patient, no one could save him. They told me that he has fallen into the water here. I went looking for him, but I could not find him. I only found his shoe. I kept calling him, but there was no response.
Until now, Rahim's wife still cannot accept the fact her child has passed away.
Dengan itu, Master Chen Yen dengan hati yang seikhlas mengharapkan kalian.
The Master hopes that you can take good care of yourselves. The Master and Global Tzu-Chi volunteers are willing to reach out to you regardless of race, religion, or skin color.
Menghulurkan bantuan tanpa mengira bangsa, kaum, warna dan kulit.
City volunteers have reached out to people in need again. Despite facing repeated natural disasters, city volunteers' love and care will always be there for the villagers.